How's it going, guys? Back with another video on my YouTube channel. Today I got something shocking for you. As you guys can see by the box, it's just a regular Nike SP box, but the content inside can be shocking for some of y'all. You guys can already see by the label, the Powerpuff Girls Nike SP, bro. Shocking. If you guys don't know, Powerpuff Girls just collabed with Nike SP. They released 3 pairs and this is one of them, being the Bubbles version, the blue version, blue and yellow version. And bro, that's why I'm shocked, because these just released like a couple of months ago, probably like 2 months ago, end of the year or something, and they are already here. We are talking about a collaboration that was just released. I can show you the paper right here. I think you guys can see all of them. We got Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup. I think that's the name of all of them. Not really good at that. Bro, I'm shocked. Take a look at the shoe. The shoe is just blue leather, cracked leather. It's actually a very special leather material. You guys can see it right here. It's kind of a cracked leather, but with a special pattern to it. We have the high on the back, which is actually pretty decent. If you guys take a look, the shape of the eye is actually pretty decent. And what shocks me the most is the embroidery. Look at the quality of this embroidery in this eye, bro. I mean, they are evolving, bro. They are like Pokemon. They are getting better and better with these things. Look at the side view. All these things that you see all across the shoe, like all the cuts of the shoe, they are reflective. It's kind of a 3mm thing, you know. So this kind of purple thing all across the shoe, I think it's visible that it goes all across the swoosh, all across the shoe, and it's kind of purple and reflective. So we got icy soles. As you guys can see, the icy soles, they are blue with the yellow Nike SP on the bottom. Yellow laces, very nice. On the tongue we have the Nike SP with the name of the character, Bubbles, and there's a pattern to it, a very nice pattern that, bro, for the wrap shoe, it's impressing. Look at this pattern right here. I think you guys can see it properly. It's like a pattern there, very beautiful pattern. The material is very nice as well. The material overall is incredible. Look at the inside of the shoe. We have these insoles, Nike SP with some action right there, like the explosion of the cauldron where the scientist makes, the father of the Powerpuff Girls makes them and mixes all the things, and kaboom, they are born. Very nice representation. On the inside, on the insoles, sorry, on the inside tongue, we have the collaboration Powerpuff logo with Nike SP. So overall, bro, it's incredible. It's incredible. Velvet inside, as you guys can see, very nice. Probably on the retail you will have a better construction. I'm not saying no to that. Probably it's gonna be more aligned or something like that. But bro, nobody's gonna wear the shoe reversed, so nobody's gonna see this. This is gonna be covered by your shoe, actually, by your feet. On the back, very nice shape right here, curved shape, bro. I'm just surprised, you know, because these just recently came out and the materials on these are premium. The materials on these are very different from what you see on a daily. It's not nubuck, it's not suede, it's not regular leather. This is very hard to make. This is very hard to replicate, and it's here. So going for the second shoe, same thing pretty much. The only differences are the insoles, that they took care of that and they added Mojo Jojo on one of them. The Powerpuff Girls logo right there. Everything's the same except for the insole, and also except for the logo on the inside. So here we have the sugar pot, very nice, also different. And on the back, the only difference will be the eye as a small mouth right here. So if you put them together, it looks like the character is there, you know. You see the hair, the blonde hair color, you see the eyes and you see the smile, so it quite looks like a face looking down, you know, like with a funny face, bro. Surprised as fuck, because quality wise is incredible. As I mentioned, this is very important. Like nowadays these things are getting faster and faster to replicate with good quality. Look at the shape of the toe box, look at the shape of it, is very acceptable, super impressive. And the tongue that we usually complain that comes either too much puffed or too much skinny, it's just perfect on this one. You can see it, it's just perfect. It's enoughly puffed, not too much, not too low. And let's be honest, bro, for 50 bucks shipped, very nice quality. Comes with black laces. Probably you want to keep the yellow ones because I think it really looks amazing. And to be fairly honest, in the beginning I was not a big fan of this. I kind of found it funny, like other releases, collabs like this. I found them funny, but I was like, not a green shoe, not a pink shoe, not a blue shoe. but now that I have them on hands, I really enjoy them even more, and especially for the fact of the quality. You know, I praise a lot quality on these things, more than hype, more than whatever, and bro, this is very impressively good for the price range that you can put your hands on them. I don't know how much the retail is costing for these, but bro, it's worth it. It's worth it. It really looks nice. You guys can tell me if you have the retail. Come hop on the comment section. I want to know your opinions on these. What do you think about them? For me, they are very nice for the price range of 50 bucks shipped, and that's my opinion. That's just my opinion. I don't want to say go buy it. You are free to do it. I don't condone if you do it. This is just for educational purposes only. This needs to be stated. So I'm not telling you go check it, but it's there. It's on my description. If you want to do it, you already know. That's what you're gonna get. The links are on my bio for my spreadsheet. And bro, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. They are getting very, very good on everything. Quality of the laces, quality of the shoe, design, shape, form. Impressive. That's what I have to say. Just impressive. So that's it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me do the thumbnail thing right there. I hope that you guys enjoyed the bubbles. If you want to see the other two pairs, I can try to grab them and show it to you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Very important to support the channel. My name is Raptor, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.